Unity is strength. A farmer had 4 sons. The boys couldn't stand each other. All the time there was a fight between them. The farmer was very sad because of this. He could not bring any good to the boys. The next day, he put some sticks together and tied them together and handed them to the 4 boys and said, "Let's break it." No one could break it. The farmer separated the sticks and handed them to the boys one by one and said, "Can you break them now?" They broke each other's sticks easily. The farmer then explained to his sons and said, "Look, think, if you are united, no one can stop you. But if everyone takes different paths by quarreling, then it will be easy to defeat the enemy alone." Motto: Victory in unity, loss in conflict.